Hi, welcome to online tutorial videos from JCB Labs. For more information and to download the source code of this video, you can visit us at www.jcbrlabs.org. In this video, we will learn how to display images on GUI, and then we will learn how to display more than one images on the same GUI on the same GUI using Matlab. So start Matlab and then start graphical user interface ID by typing GUI DE. So it will open up a dialog box and then create this blank GUI. Okay. So this is our blank GUI. Now as we want to display images, so we need to create some access there. So this kind of graphs on the same thing, you can also display graphs. So other thing on the same axis, you can also display the images as well. So let's first save this one and to desktop, like test image, save. So again this corresponding code will open up. So in this opening function of this one, like this is a file name test image and it's the opening function of it. So in the opening function, let's write the code. Like as soon as we run this particular GUI, image should display on the axis. So first we will read an image. Okay, I think we have saved in Matlab in different file. So let's do one thing, save it on desktop because all our images are lying there. No, it's already on desktop. So let's run it and it will ask for change folder. Okay. Now our current working folder is desktop. So we go to desktop because our files or the images which we want to display on this GUI are present on this desktop. So let's read the image, and we know imread command is used to read an image. So let's say we are reading jcbro.png and let's say I am show I am. Okay, let's run it. So our image will be displayed here. That's fine. It's very easy. Now what we want, so I hope we learn it, like how to display simple image. Now what we want to display two images on the same GUI. So what we'll do, we will create one more box. So it will be like a logo of the firm, like a suppose you are making this GUI for some other firm or company, so they want to display a logo there. So now we have two axes there, and we want the logo here and another picture here. So first we'll say this one. So I hope you understood, like there may be a confusion like where to display the photo, because we have another image like PNG, and if we write show IM1, so you are guessing right, all the images will be displayed on the same axis here. So there is nothing being displayed on the other axis. So what we want to display separately these two images. So how can we do that? So there's the thing, the tag of this particular axis is axis 2. If you double click on it, you can find the tag, the corresponding tag of the axis is here in tag column here. It's axis 2, so we will select the current axis as handles.axis 2. So what will this do? It will display this logo picture at the axis 2 here, and now we'll change the current axis to handles.axis 1. So what we'll do, this particular will display the data at this axis. So now let's run it. I hope it works. Yeah. So our logo is being displayed here where we wanted, and our image is being displayed here. So this is how we can change this, like from this command we can change like which particular axis we are currently referring to. So based on that we can change it. Now let's see, we do some other modifications as well. Now we'll create two buttons like multi-tone signal and the image. So when we press multi-tone signal, sinusoid wave should be displayed here, and then if we press image button there, so this image should reappear. Okay, so let's create two buttons. Okay. So here button 1, let's say we have this multi-tone, and let's say LTI, and let's change the text size of it to 12. Okay, that's good. Save it. Corresponding callback is created, and let's say we have another button, and let's give this particular name image. This should be image, and let's save it. We have one change the font size of it. Okay, let's change by 12. Okay. So this two have been created. Now what we'll do, when this button is pressed, multi-tone signal should display, and when this button is pressed, previous image should be displayed, and there should be no change on this axis too. So we'll go to the corresponding callback or multi-tone signal. So now first we'll create a multi-tone signal, and prior to it we'll create time axis of it. So we'll create a signal of 2-second duration, and then we'll generate a signal of having two frequency, 4 Hz and 1 Hz. So it's simple, 2 pi 4 into n, and then plus sine 2 pi n, and then we should select axis, and then plot n comma x, and press the title here, multi-tone signal. Okay, and in image callback we will again set access to handles of access to, and then I am again we will read, because the previous one, the scope of that previous variable which we have created is up to that function only. So we'll create again, we'll read the image again, photo dot png, and then we'll display it by show command. So let's run this one. Okay, this is our logo, this is image, and now we press this multi-tone. Okay, so it will be displayed, and image, oops, wait, this was access 1. Let's run it again, multi-tone signal, yeah, that's being displayed right here, and then image, multi-tone, image, multi-tone, image. So this is how you can display several different kind of images on the same video, and I hope you understand like how to display multiple images and how to display graph along with images in Matlab GUI. So that's it for this video. Thank you.